Hi everyone. Hope everybody is doing fine. So today we are going to see a very basic and the most common thing which we do on the mobile. That is using the search engine Google. So the fun fact about Google is it is so widely used across the globe that every second there is at least 40,000 searches going on every second. So we will see today how to do that. It's very easy. So you can either go to your Google applications. Here, if you click, you will see all the applications which are provided by Google, the products provided by the Google, or you can have this Google Chrome, which I have at the the bottom part. This is the Google Chrome. So I'll I'll show the easiest way. Go to the Google and click on this Google G option. Yeah. So you either see a mic over here or you see a search which you can type. If you don't want to type, you can put on the mic button, so it will record what you want to search. So I'll show you an example. Click on the mic. So I had put a search that president of India. It shows me all the information with respect to the search I provided. So I get the photo, okay, Ramnath Kovind. Then in addition to that, there are also various options which people also search when they search on Ramnath Kovind. So that's why it auto populates that information. Then also it gives you lot of questions what other people must have put when they search for president of India. That is, how is the president of India in 2020, who is the president and vice president, who is the first lady, so all these extra facts or the questions are also provided. Then you also get the information of the complete website which is provided by government, or the most sort of thing is Wikipedia. So Wikipedia is like I'll show you. I'll click on that president of India and on the Wikipedia. So it gives you the complete information on the complete information on the president of India. See, what is his status, where does he live, when he was appointed, complete information, what is his website, and a history as well on origin, powers. So similarly, you can check for anything in the world. There is no such thing which there are no answers in the Google. I'll give you an example. I'll put again. Inf Okay. Okay, a very basic thing, information on earth. It gives you the all option here. If you click on images, it will give you all the photos about earth. Yes, that is the images, that is the photos, means the photos. Then you have news, where you can see what are the information on earth and what are the news about it. You have videos option. So all these options are there which you can see, and you can explore further. Maps. So maps, when you click on maps, it will open Google Maps by itself, and you can get more information on that. I'll go back. So you get everything, books. So all these options are provided by Google when you type a simple search information. Also, let me put a very easy thing. I'll click on that. So this is a very good thing. When you click on hotels near me, it will show me all the hotels which are nearby my house. When I click down, I can see all the hotels which are near me, and this will be easy for me to understand which hotels at what distance they are within my area. Yeah, so you can explore further. You can click on maps and you can see that what exactly are the hotels and what distance are they from my house. So this is how you explore on the Google search. Okay, I hope this information was good enough for today. And you can search for anything, like recipes as well. For example, I can type it also, aloo sabji. So when I put aloo sabji in all, I will get all the various varieties. If I click on videos, it gives me all the videos with respect to my search aloo sabji, different types, so I can choose what exactly I need to prepare. I mean, what exactly I'm interested on. Even in books, you can see different varieties of books which are available, but then you have to go and then order the books and it will get delivered. So this is a very easy thing. So either you type whatever you want to search, or you speak and record. See, isn't it easy? Click on video and you get all the ice cream, how to make ice cream, or see. And the question is, how can I make it at home? How can I make it at home without a machine? All these things are there. Yeah. So happy exploring. This is how you use Google, and this is how you can use the videos. Thank you so much. Take care.